The path tool lets you draw a connected line across multiple points on a chart, but most beginners ignore it, but it's the cleanest way to map out an expected scenario. Open any chart and head over to the left-hand side, go to Geometric Shapes. Click Path, it's right in the middle. Now, we'll just go to where our current price is. You can notice I've marked out some support and resistance zones. These aren't very accurate, but they're just for example right now. We can use this to model what we think might happen. So I'm just gonna make some scenarios up and then we'll see how they're useful using the path tool. Now we have one scenario. We'll just click back on the path tool on the left and we'll draw another one. There we go. Now, the main thing about this is you're just planning and you're not really saying that price will follow this line to a T, but the path tool helps you react properly, because when you see price following one of these, you kind of already have an idea because of your experience with the path tool and how you were using it. This is a great tool and I think it's very underutilized. Have a great day, guys.